everyone, welcome to the future of AI. In today's video, I've got something amazing for you. I'm going to introduce a powerful website that not only gives you access to ChatGPT, but also a range of top AI models like GPT-4, Claude, and even DALL-E 3 for generating stunning images. You'll be able to chat with AI, create images, and even work across different categories like script generations, health, lifestyle, and programming, and so many more. Plus, there's a super handy shortcut to make everything faster and smoother. Stick around, this is going to be awesome. First of all, go to the XXAI website. The link is mentioned in the description box below. Simply click on Get Started for free and download the software to your computer. After downloading, open the software and sign up with your Google account. Once signed up, you will see this beautiful, interactive, and user-friendly interface. The first thing you'll notice is the wide variety of prompt categories. Now, here's where XXAI stands out. It's similar to ChatGPT but much more advanced and versatile. Not only does it give you access to ChatGPT's models, but it also integrates many other leading AI models. For instance, let's look at the featured section. This showcases some of the most popular prompt categories. Let me show you how easy and fun it is to use. I'll select the short story generator category. At the top, you'll notice 13 AI models to choose from, like GPT-4 O Mini, GPT-4 O, O1 Mini, O1 Preview. Then 3 Claude models, Gemini models including Gemini 1.5 Flash and 1.5 Pro, then Llama 3.2, Perplexity, Grok 2, and even DALL-E 3 for generating mesmerizing images. In short, you have all amazing models at one place. I'll select GPT-4 O Mini and type in the prompt, write a short story about 5 best free image generator AI tools. Look at this, it's simply amazing. The tool effortlessly generates a well-crafted, engaging story. It's like having a professional writer at your fingertips. Now, let's head back and explore more categories. For example, under lifestyle and health, there's a personal trainer section. Here's where things get really practical. I'll type in this prompt, I'm a beginner and want to lose weight. I work a desk job and have limited time for exercise. After selecting the Claude model and clicking Generate, it produces a personalized fitness plan tailored to my exact needs. This is where XXAI truly shines. It organizes everything into neat categories, saving you time and effort. You no longer have to craft long, detailed prompts because the tool does all the heavy lifting for you. Let's move on to a feature I think every content creator will love. The YouTube Script Creator. If you've ever struggled with structuring your scripts, this tool will be a game changer. I'll type in 5 ways to live a happy life. Watch how effortlessly it generates a full YouTube script, complete with an introduction, background, and neatly segmented sections. It's perfect for creators who want to focus on their content instead of spending hours outlining and formatting their ideas. Now, let me show you another groundbreaking feature. I'll go under the programming and IT expert category now. XXAI also lets you upload images and interact with them. For example, I'll upload an image of a mathematical problem and ask it to solve the equation. Within seconds, not only does it provide the correct answer, but it also explains the steps in detail. Isn't that incredible? Additionally, you can upload documents like PDFs and ask the AI to summarize them. This is perfect for times when you need a quick overview without reading the entire document. I uploaded a sample PDF and as you can see, it has summarized it effortlessly. One of the standout features of XXAI is its web browsing mode. When you turn this on, it pulls the latest, most relevant information from the internet. This is especially helpful when you're working on topics that require the most up-to-date insights. Unlike other AI tools that often provide outdated data, XXAI ensures you're always equipped with current and reliable information. Now let's try out the DALL-E 3 model for generating images. Okay, so I'll ask it to generate an image of a realistic, gorgeous woman. I'll also specify the aspect ratio by mentioning aspect 1:1. Note that it supports aspect ratios of 1:1, 7:4, and 4:7. Alright, let's generate it. Okay guys, this is simply amazing. The result is stunning. I mean, look at the details and the clarity of the image. DALL-E 3 does an exceptional job of creating realistic and visually compelling images based on the prompts you provide. So, you can not only chat with different AI models, but you can also interact with them through images. Plus, you can upload documents and have them summarized or analyzed. And as you just saw, generating images is just as easy and impressive. It's all part of the versatility of XXAI, making it a fantastic all-in-one tool for creativity and productivity. On the left side, you'll see your chat history, which makes it super easy to navigate through your previous interactions. You can click on this heart icon to mark your favorite chats. Then if you go to My section, you can also create your own customized prompts, which is equivalent to debugging your own AI tool. Click on the plus icon to create. Then create a prompt title. For example, I'll say horror story generator. Then give a description. Then give a prompt to the AI chatbot to follow. Then you can include some initial defaults. Means whenever you open this chatbot, a default prompt will be already written. Then give some example cases like I did here and click create. So here it's ready, let's try it. Now if I click the chat box, will open. I'll ask it to create a chilling horror story for me. And here it is, exactly how I described it. Simply amazing. This is how you can create your own AI chatbots as well. Additionally, if you need to find specific prompts, there's a search bar that helps you quickly locate whatever you're looking for among the many categories. Let's talk about one of my personal favorite features, the XXAI shortcut tool. Imagine you're browsing the web or working on a document and come across a tricky paragraph or a sentence with grammar issues. With this shortcut, all you need to do is highlight the text and XXAI takes care of the rest. For example, I've opened an article and don't quite understand a specific paragraph. So I select the text, click the XXAI shortcut, and it automatically detects the text. It gives me several options, such as fixing spelling, improving writing, making it shorter or longer, changing the tone, paraphrasing, and even translating the text into other languages. Let me show you how this works. I'll ask it to explain a specific part of the text and instantly it provides a clear explanation of what it means. This feature is not only helpful when browsing the web but also when writing scripts, documents, or assignments in apps like MS Word. For example, while working on a script in MS Word, I can simply select the text, use the XXAI shortcut, and ask it to fix spelling and grammar. It will correct the entire text for me in just seconds. If I want, I can even translate the text into Chinese, and it does so flawlessly. This shortcut is an absolute game changer for me. It's going to be so useful in my daily life, whether I'm browsing, writing scripts, or working on assignments. It's fast, efficient, and most importantly, incredibly accurate. I have to say, XXAI truly exceeds all expectations. Whether you're creating stories, generating scripts, solving equations, or just getting the most up-to-date info online, this tool does it all. It's powerful, user-friendly, and packed with features that are bound to make your work easier and more efficient. Trust me, once you start using XXAI, you'll wonder how you ever worked without it. So don't wait any longer. Head to their website, try it out for free, and experience the future of AI today. Now let me tell you another amazing part. If you check the pricing plan of this website, it's incredibly reasonable and affordable for everyone. For example, the free plan gives you 100 credits per day, which are reset daily, meaning you get 100 free credits every day. Isn't that amazing? They also offer a pro plan for just $9.90 per month when billed annually. This plan provides unlimited access to AI chatbots with all the top models, unlimited AI searches, unlimited image generation, and so much more. Essentially, you get access to every single tool without limits. Compared to other AI platforms, including ChatGPT, XXAI is very competitive and provides tons of incredible features at an unbeatable price. Do try it out and let me know what you think. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the future of AI for more exciting tools and tips. See you in the next video.